So right now I am on the management groups. So if you're not able to find, you just go to search box and type MANAGMAT management groups. Then you can find that over here and just click on the management group, then you will be navigated here. So right now I created one management group which is called as a test. So why, the reason behind why I created before is, so for the first time when you are going to create, it will take 10 to 15 minutes of time. It will be listed over here also in the notification. That's why I created the first one. So I will show you how to create the management group first. First you need to click on the add management group. Then you can have a management group ID, like I am going to give test 1, and that what the name you have to display. So you have to give here, so test 1 here and test 1 here. Like otherwise you can give like test the management group. You can give like this and click on save and validate. Now it is going to create the group and it is in progress. So if you allow 1 or 2 minutes, then it's going to create a new management group over here. If you just click on the refresh, then it will create, it will be listed here. I'm just going to pause the video. Once it is done, I will again play the board. So now you can see that it was created, the test 1. Under the notification you can see that the group has been created successfully. So now you can see that there are 2 management groups. So under this management, when you create the first one, all the subscriptions will go to that particular subscription. So right now if you want to move the subscription from one over to here, then you just select this one and click on move. Then you can select the management group. So right now I want to move this to test, so that's why I clicked on and click on test. Now you can see that it is updating the subscription and it is under progress. So once it is done, this will be moved. So right now you can see that it was moved. How can we check that? You just click on the test. So under test you can see the pay as you go subscription. So we spoke like whatever the policies that you are going to assign to management groups, it is going to assign to all the subscription. That how we can do? So you just click on the particular management group. So you can find, 1 minute. So management groups, just double click on this, and so you just double click on this one and click on the details over here. So once you click on the details, you open the management group. Under here you can see the activities log, where whatever activities you had done so far, it will be listed in this particular management group. So if you go to IAM, then you can assign for which users this will be applicable, or which role this management group will be applicable. All those we can add. Like we can add users of HR here, we can add the users of computer science, or you can add people from electronics. All those groups or roles you can create from here, and you can assign those policies to this particular management group. So if you go to policies, so whatever policies you are going to create here, it will be applicable to all the management groups. Like if this management group contains 10 or 15 subscription, that policy is going to apply for all. So to return back, you just click on the tenant root group. So if you don't wish to have this, so if you don't want to wish this particular management group, that then you just click on here and click on the delete and say yes, then it is going to delete that particular management group. So this is how we can use the manage group. So management group basically or like a central repository where you can apply your policies. It will be applicable to all the hierarchy, whether it is a subscription or whether it is a management group. So it will be applicable based on that. So you can see the group notification delete successfully. So like this we can use the management groups. So this will be more useful in the organization.